How to make a good grade. You want to get an A in your class, don't you? Why did I receive a B or a C or even worse, a D? Here are the typical grade expectations that I professors would want you to be aware of. An A grade. To achieve this grade, students must display superior performance in their coursework. This includes demonstrating the ability to process and comprehend complex ideas, and to be able to convey those ideas to others in a clear, intelligent manner. An A student will go beyond simple requirements and seek to excel in their preparation for and presentation of assigned work. He or she will demonstrate excellent communication skills and the ability to contextualize material. A B grade. To achieve this grade, students need to display above-average performance in their coursework, including demonstrating the ability to process and comprehend complex ideas, while conveying those ideas in a clear, intelligent manner. A B student will also go beyond minimum requirements in preparing and presenting assigned work. He will demonstrate above-average communication skills and the ability to contextualize material. A C grade. For this grade, students must meet the minimum requirements for the course, display adequate performance in their coursework, and adequately demonstrate the ability to comprehend complex ideas, while also being able to convey those ideas in a like manner. The C student demonstrates competence in preparing and presenting assigned work. He or she will demonstrate adequate communication skills and the ability to contextualize materials. A D grade. The student receiving this grade is performing below the minimum requirements for the course. This could include failure to complete or turn in assignments on a timely basis, or to demonstrate the ability to adequately comprehend or convey complex ideas. A D student performs below the average in preparing and presenting assigned work. He or she may not be demonstrating adequate communication skills or the ability to contextualize materials. An F grade. The student receiving this grade has failed to meet the requirements of the course, including failure to complete or turn in assignments, or to demonstrate the ability to comprehend or convey complex ideas. I hope you now have a clear idea on what are expected for each letter grade for a college class. I hope you all make an A in all your classes. Good luck!